A step-by-step guide on how you can transfer money from BNP Paribas. The first option is going to be using the BNP Paribas app or online banking. You will need to sign into your account. Then you will select transfers or payments. Click on new transfer, the plus sign, and then you will select the sender account. The fifth step will be choosing or adding the participant or recipient, You will enter the IBAN and name if it is a new recipient. Then you have to enter the amount, pick the transfer date, and confirm using your secure key or authentication. Then the transfer confirmation will appear. The second option is to transfer at a BNP Paribas branch. You will visit a branch, then bring your ID. You want to provide the recipient's IBAN plus amount, and an advisor is going to process the transfer. Here are some of the transfers you can make. You can make an internal transfer, which is going to be between your BNP accounts. You can do a separate transfer, which is going to be within Europe, international transfer outside of Europe, scheduled transfer, which is going to be for a future date, and also recurring transfer, which is going to be for monthly bills. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.